2 Kobe 9 colorways at yung isa dito ay nagbabalik from the past. Once again, this is Lex, your sneaker specialist of Collector Finds. For the first colorway, it's the Kobe 9 Low Mambasita. Mambasita is anak ni Kobe and tribute to sa kanya. As far as I know, dahil sa birthday niya. At sabi nila, pang babae daw to na colorway, pero as a Kobe fan, I would still wear this.
Wow!
Going back to the pair, makikita natin meron siyang kasamang gold pendant. And fade to black yung colorway and gold swoosh. Honestly, this is very good colorway if you will ask me. And also, meron din siyang kasamang extra lace. And dito sa likod, number 2, jersey ni Gigi. Outsole, ayan. Maganda siya, honestly. Kahit na para kay Gigi to, I would still rock this pair. So that's for the first unboxing colorway. At ang nagbabalik na colorway, walang iba kundi ang Kobe 9 Moonwalk. Diba? Ang huling release nito is 2014 pa, pero ngayon ni-retro siya. So ito na ulit siya ngayon. So still, nakikita mo yung outsole, moon talaga. So this is inspired kay Michael Jackson na ang dance step niya ng pag-moonwalk. So this pair was released ngayong year lang, April 2025, and this pair, the Moonwalker, released this month lang, November 2025. Pero before, ang release nito is 2014, so imagine, more than a decade na. So if I'm a Kobe fan talaga, this is a no-brainer must-have. Ikaw ba, ano mas prefer mo? The Mambasita or the Moonwalker? Or may gusto ka ba bang i-retro ulit ng Kobe? Ako, kung tatanungin siguro yung Kobe 9 chinelas na Philippines colorway. Ako, kung maglabas yun, talagang must-have na must-have. Anyway, kung gusto mo to parehas, meron to sa Collector Finds. So make sure i-message mo na kasi sobrang limited lang na stocks nila.